squeeze the trigger one time. Now hit her. Yep, you got to be on the trigger quick. Not that much. There you go, feather it. All right, ready? Easy on the throttle, you ain't got to rev her up that much. Hold up. Get the thing out of my face. Longer than that. There you go. Cut. If you cut that in half, it'll fit in the stove. Cut more than halfway through it and then roll it over and cut the rest.